Corporate training at Parkland College provides safety courses and professional and personal development programs. We offer an array of industry recognized safety training courses for individuals and businesses alike. Our courses are led by certified trainers and meet or exceed occupational health and safety standards. We have first aid and CPR training, confined space awareness and entry, H2S Alive for hydrogen sulfide gas safety, fall protection for industrial, and many others. We deliver mental health first aid, a course that trains you to provide initial help to people showing signs of mental health problems or experiencing a mental health crisis. We have a range of computer training courses, from the basics to popular office programs like Excel and Word. Among our professional development options, we deliver leadership skills for frontline managers, a 4-module certificate that's ideal for anyone new to supervision or for supervisors who want to improve their skills. And with Ed2Go, you can choose from over 400 highly interactive online courses on a broad range of topics. Learn from anywhere, anytime. Corporate training at Parkland College has the expertise to develop and deliver courses, workshops, and custom training to meet your organization's needs. Get in touch with the corporate training team today.